Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guess what? We're gonna do another Louis Vuitton unboxing. I know, it's like, stop it, this is too much. Too much Louis Vuitton unboxing. Okay, I'm not gonna buy LV this year. I'm gonna be good, save money. I wish I could do this every single week, but I can't. Ta-da! Ta-da! 3 Louis Vuitton box. What is going on? This is crazy. I know, but we're still gonna do it. If you're a big Louis Vuitton fan, you know the box with a little little thing here. What is in here? You probably already know. And let's open this up together and let me show you what I got. So let's open this up. It is very heavy. Oh gosh. Can you just take it all in? Oh my god, this is amazing. So let me show you what I got. And if you've been following me on my Instagram, you probably already know what I purchased. If you've not seen my Instagram, why not? Please follow me on my Instagram. The same thing, Mr. Jen All-in-One. This is a woman's shoes, and it's the first time I purchased a woman's shoes. And just because I want this from last season, but it is sold out. It's like, you know, when I sold out, you want more. So when I have it, I was like, I'm taking this home. Let me show you this. Just look at this bag. So this is the Archlight monogram with embroidery gold pattern. I know, I'm speechless. Are you speechless? And last season they launched a couple design. It's like they sold out in 2 days and you cannot find it anywhere. You had to wait for like 3 months of pre-order. So when they have this fall season, I was like, I'm taking this home now because I waited last season, I didn't buy it. Big mistake, so you know. And let me just go into detail, show you how amazing is this baby. So first thing first, this was not my first choice when I purchased a couple weeks ago at Louis Vuitton store. What I really want to purchase is the men's boots that created by King Jones. I almost say Tom Jones. I don't know why I do that. And but the thing is, the price for that, you can buy 2 of this, and I just feel like I like that a lot, but that's just a little too much. I don't think I can wear that all the time. However, the sneakers, I can wear this much more often. And it's smaller, so it's easy for me to take when I travel. So in the future, I'm pretty sure you're gonna see me wear this for most of my Louis Vuitton, not my Louis Vuitton. For most of my SK2 event, I'll probably wear in this. So let's talk about Archlight. Why is Archlight? It's because this arch right here. So people are gonna think, oh my god, how are you gonna walk this? I'm telling you, this is the illusion. There's no arch inside. It's basically pretty flat. So when I tried this on, I was like, oh wow, it walks pretty easy. It doesn't have a lot of pressure to it. And so since this is a woman's size, normally I wear 8.5. But I'm buying this, it's the 39.5. That's the size I wear now. It's a little bit tight. I really need to get on one size up, which is 40. But she said, well, she doesn't know if they can order. I'm just like, you know what, let me just take this. I just cannot wear thick socks. If I wear thick socks, I will not be able to wear the shoes. So first thing first, I want to show you something. I love the black base because they come out all this white one. They are beautiful. However, let me show you something. Hold please. So I want to show you a Louis Vuitton men's sneaker I bought a while back. So this is the one I had before from a couple seasons back. It's beautiful, but it's white and it gets so dirty easily. I mean, it's like every time I wear this, I need to wash this. Otherwise, it'll be so dirty. So I'm really, really looking forward to the black one. Much more easy to clean. That's the plus. So before you invest the white one, think about this. Especially the country you live. If you live the country like Taiwan, raining a lot, the street gonna be dirty. You're gonna cut a lot of dirt on the shoes. I know you're thinking, shoes supposed to be wear on the floor, but these are over $1,000, and I really want to take care of them. I don't want to just like I don't know. So I'm a little crazy. Hey, if anybody like me, leave a comment below. Every time I wear this, I haven't cleaned the last time. I clean them. I use a magic eraser to make a wipe because I don't want this to be all dirty, right? So that's just me, little crazy me. Okay, now let's get into detail right now. Originally, I want to buy the all black. So the all black also, like where you see the gold embroidery here, like all black. And then, but she showed me the gold one. At first, I'm like, I don't know if I can manage this. But I thought, you know what? I can do it. And this made the shoes more special. It is a lot more detail. So that's why I picked this one. It has a monogram canvas right in the front, right here. But everything else just embroidery gold. And then on the top, there's a LV logo. Let me show you guys a little closer. So this is inside. It's made in Italy. Okay. Let me show you guys that. I don't know, can you see it? Okay. And they're using the double lace for the shoelace. So, let me just show you that. Oh my God, this is unbelievable beautiful. I kind of just want to keep this in the house. Oh my God, this is so pretty. So this is my quick video to show you what I got. And I think after this Louis Vuitton unboxing, I'm probably not gonna buy too many Louis Vuitton rest of the year. I may have two more Louis Vuitton unboxing from the Vivienne collections coming up soon, so you can take a look. But after that, I don't think there'll be any. Do you believe me? Alright, so I want to say thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate this. And oh, do you like this shirt? Let's talk luxury. Let me show you the back. Yep. So this is the line of the merchandise I have from Mr. All in One, and I'm gonna put a link below so you can check it out. Very good quality t-shirt. I'm really impressed myself. So that was good. All right. So thank you so much, and don't forget to follow my social media right here. Check out my Instagram. Leave the comment in my Instagram. If you also have Archlight, tag me. I want to see. Oh, by the way, small detail. I don't know what you call this part that when you put feet in there, it's also monogram canvas. Super cute. So I want to see what you bought from these collections. Would love to share that in my social media. Remember, Mr. All in One is a place that we share the fashion, the beauty, the travel all together. It's our community. So tag me on Mr. All in One so we can all see it together. Alright, thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video, share the video, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!